Hello and welcome. In today's video, we'll be exploring a powerful and time-saving feature in the WP Ultimate CSV Importer, the math operation option available during field mapping. This allows you to perform simple arithmetic on your CSV values before importing them into WordPress. Let's say you're importing a list of products as WooCommerce products. Your CSV file includes a column named regular_price, which holds the original price of each item. But you want to automatically apply a markup of 20% to each product's price before importing, without editing the CSV manually. That's exactly where this feature comes in handy. These are the product CSV I have. Start by going to your WordPress dashboard, and open the Ultimate CSV Importer plugin. Upload your CSV file and choose the appropriate post type. Such as WooCommerce products, depending on your setup. Once you reach the field mapping screen, map the necessary product fields. Scroll down to the field where you want to apply a calculation. In this case, it might be the regular_price field if you're using WooCommerce. Next to it, click the formula icon, which stands for math operation. You'll see a text input where you can write your expression. The format is simple. Just use the CSV header inside curly braces and apply any basic arithmetic operations and cover the overall formula with brackets. For example, regular_price, *1.2. This will take the value from the regular_price column and multiply it by 1.2, adding a 20% markup before importing it into WordPress. Once you define your expression, save the mapping with a name, click Continue. And proceed with the import. After importing, your product posts will reflect the updated, calculated values instead of just the raw data from the CSV, making your import not only faster but smarter. That's it. The math operation feature in WP Ultimate CSV Importer gives you more control over your data, letting you manipulate it during import without modifying your source file. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy importing!